Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. This is Jennifer, and I'm back with 20 cards using this month's kit, June 2022 Spellbinders card kit of the month. And it's called Party Hat and Streamers. And it comes, and like I've said before, this is my favorite kit because it comes with all of those 10 cards and envelopes, cardstock, dies, paper pads, stamp set. So it's such a cool, for this month, it's this party hat die. I didn't use that in my cards, but I have it to use for the future. So let's get on with it because there's 20 of them that I'm showing you. Here's the first card I'm showing. That's just a chipboard piece from chipboard frame from the chipboard stickers from the collection. Okay, that's ephemera from the collection. That's just from the epoxy stickers right there that I've cut, that I've used a lot from. And I used for the first time, I think it's the first time I'm using it, yellow stickles. And Alma, if you're watching, I know this is your favorite color. I don't know what it's called. They didn't put a name on it. Let's see. Nope, there's no name on it. So we'll just call it the yellow stickles. There it is. And it looks like this when it dries. Ooh, wow. All right, there you go. And I used it on the flames too. And everything else you see is just, this is paper from the paper pad. It's the Kindle one. And it's this one right there. Ooh. There's a ton of unboxing of this kit. Of course, Spellbinders has the unboxing for this kit for this month. But there's the paper pad. I got mine, and I usually get it on the third week of the month. I got mine June 21. I made these cards the following day, June 22 and 23, and now I'm uploading, I'm filming and hopefully uploading today, June 24, 2022. So back to the card. That's just a gray cardstock that, I'm trying to use at my stash. It's from the Michaels 8.5 by 11 pack. So that's it. That's the gradient right there. It's the gray pack. Okay. And that's it for that card. Okay. So this is the next one. These are from this that came in the kit this month. It's so fun. It has this pom-poms right there. So I'm telling you, it's my favorite kit of all the kits out there. Paper from the paper pad, the same with this one. This yellow is from a Michaels brand. It's the Craftsmith, and it's called the Yellows and Oranges, and it's a 12 by 12 paper pad from, I believe it's 2018. Nope, 2014. It says there. Ooh, come on, folks, 2014. So it's 12 by 12, and it's a yellow to orange gradient of colors. That's it, and I used the card bases that came with the kit, as it always does every month. And then this is the next card I'm showing. So again, paper from the paper pad, paper from the paper pad. This is a chipboard. See, it's dimensional. And then I just backed it on a yellow cardstock, yellow black cardstock. And I just punched that backing with this 1.5, or maybe it's the 2-inch. And these are just my Fiskars 1,000-year-old punches. I got them from Joann's when I started paper crafting in 2010. Not that I started then. As a kid growing up, I always loved putting paper together. I'd cut out stationery and, flowers from magazines, put them on copy paper and use that as stationery. So I've always had the makings of a paper crafter. I can only wish that I can, sustain and pay bills doing paper crafting, but no, doesn't pay the bills. So this is just a hobby. And then this is just, again, paper from the paper pad. Oh, I forgot to mention, one of my favorite stickles is this one, Black Diamond from, of course, Stickles. And it takes, because this would have been otherwise black, just black, but when you put that Black Diamond Stickles, it just ups it. It looks like black jewelry. Ugh, it's not focusing. Right there. I wish you could see it in person. If you think it's glittery right there or sparkly, so much more in person. There. And these are just ephemera that I put together and backed it again. This time I think this is the 1.5-inch Fiskars, that black circle right there. And I just, I just used black cardstock to back that. And it's so pretty. I love the colors in this collection. And then here's the next one. Very simple layout, so easy to put together. I made all these 20 cards in a day and a half. So this is my de-stressor. So there's gold foiling on the balloons. I just put this orange band right here because otherwise this would have drowned. It doesn't pop. So, and then I put a banner. Again, these are just ephemera that I popped up using foam dots, foam tape. And then Happy Birthday is from the stamp set from the collection. And that's what it is. Happy Birthday. That's the stamp. Will this help? Like I said, there's a ton of unboxing online. I think that's it. And of course, I put my favorite stickles, the Stardust stickles, on the balloons. And then here's another layout. Again, paper from the collection, chipboard sticker from the collection, and everything else is ephemera. And of course, I used my stickles just to add some glitter to it. But so quick and easy, and I'm all about that. Here's the next one I'm showing. I used light pink paper from Michael's cardstock, and then I just put together a bunch of ephemera. This is paper from the collection, and voila. Oh, and that's a chipboard sticker, again, from the collection. June 2022 card kit of the month. And then here is the next one. I backed it with, I know that looks black, but that's gray. That's the darkest gray in that gray gradient cardstock that I showed you. And then, oh, this die is this from Ali. It's like a fishtail banner die. And it's long, so I had to fold this under this cake paper. And then to achieve that look of stitching, I used, oh my God, tracing wheel. There you go. I remember. I got this from Joann's. So I used the tracing wheel to trace that stitching because, of course, there's no stitching on that paper. So that's that card. That's from the chipboard stickers. And then this is just ephemera. And of course, I put stickles on it, on the stars. All right, there it is. And then this one is the next one. Ephemera, 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 chipboard sticker. Plain and simple, right? And that's it. I don't think, and this is paper from the collection, and the papers are foiled. Here's another one. That's paper from the collection. I backed it on gray cardstock. This is also paper from the collection, and that I didn't use that die that I showed you. This is a 2-inch strip that is left over from probably this card, and I fishtailed it using a punch from Stampinup, and that's this punch. So you can insert a 2-inch, a 1.5-inch, and a 1-inch, and punch a fishtail at the end. That's what happened there. And then these are orange. I don't know if you can see that. That's orange, just to pick up from the orange hues of the card. And these are just ephemera. And this orange, let me see if I left it out. Oh yes, I did. So this is from, oh my God, ages ago. Remember these gems from Recollections at Michael's? This was like, how did they call it? It was the time when Prima Gemstones was like the most popular, and Recollections duped it. And so I just cut, because it's different sizes, so it's nice to use. And that's what I used on these gems are from that kit. I mean, from this gem pack right there. I think they called it filigree. No, Don't quote me on that. But anyway, that's it, I think. And all of these are just ephemera, like I said. All right. And then, I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm rushing. It's because I have 20 cards and I'm already at 10 minutes. Paper from the collection, ephemera that I put together. This is a strip from Love from Lizzie. And this is what you're supposed to be using, all of these, but nope. I used this. See how that's just like an outer border, but I cut it and I used that. That's why that's thicker than these ones. I'll probably use this too. And, oh no, I can't use that because it has that barcode or something, has an embossed numbers to it. All right, but that's it. Simple, quick and easy. And then same layout, but reversed, right? You can see the difference, but that's it. Same principle. And that again is from that Love from Lizzie, but it's thinner. Okay, and then this one is from, I saw the cards that Alicia of Crazy Paper Trick made, and I loved what she did. So I copied this from Alicia. I think she had one more pom-pom here, or I think these are not pom-poms. These are like fireworks. To me, they look like fireworks. But I'm not sure. Not really. So I love that she's like in a yoga pose, and then it says relax there. There's no sentiment, but the word relax. So what I'll probably do with this is give it to a girlfriend on her birthday, or just before going on a vacation, and say relax, it's, you know, you deserve it, or relax, it's your day. And I'll write that here. Relax, enjoy your vacation. Whoa, sorry. It's never a Jennifer video without shaking the camera. So this is another plain and simple one, but I think it still passes for a birthday card. So that's from that collection that I showed you, 12 by 12 from Michaels. It's a paper pad. This is from the chipboard collection, from the collection. This is just ephemera. See, it's flat right there, and I put stickles on the flames. And this is paper from the paper collection. Totally works, right? Simple. Then this one you probably find weird, but I made a scene. So this is paper from the collection, ephemera. Of course, I put stickles, but I was going for hooray, and she's like being swept up by a bunch of balloons. I think it's a funny card, and I totally know who I'm going to give that to. My best friend, because she gets me. And that's why she's my best friend, right? Anyway, this is another card, because I think this is I would say this is my favorite paper in the paper pack that came in the collection. So again, I used that black diamond stickles, and then chipboard sticker right there, ephemera, and then this is a die from Sizzix that I got from Hobby Lobby, $3.74, when they were clearancing some of their dies and stamps. So I used this one, that one. That's it. And it comes with these, because you're supposed to stamp that and cut using the dies. All right, that's it. See, quick and easy. That's why I was able to make 20 cards in a day and a half. And that's, you know, while doing laundry and cooking and picking up the kids and dropping off the kids. So it wasn't even a day and a half, I don't think. So again, a gray card from that pack that I showed you, same gray card, and then ephemera, epoxy stickers. Have I shown you that? Epoxy stickers. Yeah, that came with the collection. And then just ephemera again, paper from the collection, and of course, stickles. See how easy it is to make using the Spellbinders card kit? This is another one, paper from the collection, chipboard sticker, ephemera, black diamond, stickles, stardust stickles. And there you go. Quick and easy card. And then here's another one. I love her. That's why I used her here. I used her twice. You get two ephemera, two of each ephemera in the kit. So this is another epoxy sticker right there. It says woohoo. And you guessed it right. That's from the yellow to orange 12 by 12 paper pad from Michael's. And this is from the paper kit. But look at that. So cool. So quick and easy. Last one. Because I'm at 15 minutes. So paper from the collection. Ephemera. This is, oops, it's lifting up as you can see there. I might have to paste that. But that's just from the epoxy stickers that I showed you. Ephemera. And of course, stickles. But quick and easy. Congrats. Right there. Okay. So, thank you to all my new subscribers. They are, you guys are much appreciated for subscribing. I hope you like the things I'm creating. You know, I upload my creations because this makes me happy. And anything that makes me happy, I try to share with my friends and you that's watching. And I hope I'm achieving that. I hope I'm inspiring you to create and use your stash, because us paper crafters, we tend to hoard our stash, and I don't blame you for that, because I do that. I'm guilty of that. So I hope you start creating with yours so you can make room for more, right? And what else I was gonna say? All the videos that I've been making is in participation of Jill Norwood's, oh my gosh, I'm blanking. It's gonna be in the description box. Hashtag my Saturday morning makes. Oh my goodness. Okay, Saturday morning makes, and then also cmdshopstash. And like I said, it's gonna be in the description box below. All right, you guys have a great day. It's Friday today, June 24. You have a great weekend. Till my next video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.